God level. Explain.
Jaya.
Man, what happened to rap?
Masongo Samanya. Hey yo, what happened to rap? I-rap ifeles koten bayibulele ngomet Manshunga buzi suplex buzu kespanyo fest Orubuzu aka empty the heart la nesty scene KO maybe you'll get the answer cause what happened to Quaitos, what happened to house repossessing everything including the house uhambu yohlale mkhukhwini uhambe ngekayilo enabafana baneng babangana yi-black cause what happened to Biggie what happened to Pac ufuna ukuthini ungiswe kahle man wiye ngamagani sintsha sami simengaphandle masotsha hlomane donsi kancha ra with the legs of thunder 100 bucks 21st isendleleni bashana sesital ikamu Mr. Bless bafana manje ngikhalimela inyathi ukuthi angisona bafana 16 pass ngiphala phakathi kwerisla yensango ngibophe ngayo nganantambo alana sekwela makwala wasekho fela ama-veteran beef bayisabakabi srepa nama-vegetarian singa rapper the master rest in peace tunkalakatha mandoza igame ayisekho mnandi manje basitshela ngemali impila bayiphilayo idladla ikara bayidrayivayo abasarephile abafana mabese ngibafundise bayeke ukucoca inganekwane tishela bless ithi ngibakhomba ubani ugeneral ngokigana ukhokha umoya nemali ngingafanelanga bless from a west PTA represent salelwe ZB ngihlala ngirepresent ikasi mamelodi tulimpopo sinyathela abathakathi bonke abasiminyele sibajube the ass ngemimesele lihlanya le rap ngibhema insango namasipha i-10 I'm 10 times high and sick isibhedlela se-upstairs Jesus Christ ungibisa umakhi mengibheme kakhulu phinda futhi ujesu ungibisa umakhi mengibheme kakhulu it's now or never.
Man, what happened to rap?
Alento ngayikala kansima ngana plan ngasukuthi ngiyoya kubani for a deal ngamithi capital C young prometi Castro Costi bright color show when I talk up a try LMNX I got Phoenix Kill and I got Dr. Phil Green Gang Capital Uptown MG we got no fancy things Pushy small piece ngene kasi manje we in my melody pushy passion Pitori representing Ngondo ya Michelle kuba mahita yibosho bengisono bafake ekhanda ngibafalele kuma-brain cells don't see attention nganantambo ngo-mic no beat shaya ngaphakathi ngibangomsindo njenge-tin fish survivor take off